Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back today. I really appreciate it. So, you guys have read the title. I'm doing BRATZ doll looks, and I'm so excited. I feel like I'm a little bit late to the trend. Like I know this is already like come and gone. A lot of people have already done this, but I haven't, and I don't really care. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm super excited about it. So that's it. I do have my blue contacts in because today we're doing blonde BRATZ doll. I don't know their names. We're not doing like specific BRATZ dolls. Like I know that there's like girls and there's names. I'm just doing like kind of like a recreation of all of them. But today we are doing blonde, so I do have blue eyes today. But I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cover my brows off camera really quickly and I'll be back and we'll get started. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, we're gonna go straight in with Garland paint stick. Alright, blend that all out. Alright, straight on to concealer. All of my brushes are covered in green. Okay, concealer. Marc Jacobs Remarkable Concealer 3 Young. So the BRATZ dolls' faces are like super round, so I'm kind of keeping all this in the center. I'm not going too far up. We're kind of wanting to create like that illusion. Now I'm going to go over a little bit with my white paint stick. Get a little bit more highlight. Alright, blend all that out. Okay, cool. Bit of contour. So I'm taking my Kat Von D, this is actually Kat Von D concealer in neutral, D35 Neutral. So again, no real harsh lines, just sort of like, this is just sort of to warm up the face. Quite a bit down here. Okay, blend that out. Okay, nose contour. So a little brush, and I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Taking the middle brown shade. And so the nose, we're gonna do really, really turned up and really skinny. So, straight down here. Okay, so we are highlighting down the middle, stopping, and then bringing our tip super high up. That's what's going to give it like that pulled up effect. Just back in with our concealer, straight up the sides again, just to make it look as small as possible. Alright, gorgeous. Now we're going to set it all. So going straight in with my Airspun. Alright, we're all set. Let's start getting rid of all this. Straight away, going straight in with our Marc Jacobs Beauty Light Filtering Contour Powder. Using the highlighted shade underneath the eyes and all the highlight areas. Alright, moving on to some contour. Kat Von D Shade and Light Palette. We're really not going too heavy, like I said. Keeping on the outer perimeter of the face. We just want to look like really like chubby almost. Okay, big brush, bronzer, sort of to blend it all in. Okay, I'm gonna bake real quick. Kryolan white setting powder, usual. Okay, it's eyeshadow time, so I'm going with my Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. Starting with our blue here. Sort of doing like very early 2000s grey smoky blue eye. So we're going to cut a crease. And we'll just see how this goes. You can see that, but we're keeping it quite low because we're wanting it to be like very like up. So So I'm taking a smaller brush here, and we're gonna blend up. I'm gonna focus most of the blending out here, and keep it quite thin in the middle, in the front there. Mixing a little bit of white with that. I think that's it for now. We're gonna move on to eyeliner, because eyeliner is like the major important part of this entire look. I'm just taking my Marc Jacobs liquid liner, and we're going up. We need to go up, big time. So as you can see, I've just completely decided to cover my whole lid because we really want it to be like super, super big, and it's just like easier. So now we're gonna go back in with our blue. We're just gonna start blending this all together. Blend it up, blend it down, blend it wherever the hell you need to blend it. Pretty. So we're gonna do this super quickly before we're not actually done with the top, but I need to do this first to understand how we're gonna do the top. We're gonna extend our inner corners. Alright, so that's what we're doing. So we're not extending it inwards because we're gonna do white here and then we're gonna do a whole lot of other stuff. So all I need is just that line so we can go in and cut our crease properly. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this grey. Mix it in with a bit of the purple, I think. And create a little bit more of a crease. We're only creating it in the inner corners here. Yay! Alright, let's cut some creases here now. Alright, taking my white paint stick and our concealer brush. Paint this in. So really tight. It's really not a lot. Okay, so I think we're going to move down to the bottom now, and then we're going to come back up to the top and kind of finish everything off. So white, a lot of white. Take my white here, and we're going to start in the inner corners. This is super important because this is going to like give the illusion of a bigger eye. Okay, I'm just going to set that with a bit of white before we move any further. Alright, amazing. We're going to go back in with our eyeliner and redo this. Okay, I'm going to take the liner, I'm going to run it along the bottom of the white and connect it in the corner. Gorgeous, amazing, everything. Going in with some black shadow now. I'm gonna blend out that line just a tiny bit. Sort of more just wanting to darken it up more than blend it out actually. You don't want to look too crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that gray. Mix it in with a little bit of black, maybe. I just need it a little bit darker. Into our crease here. I'm gonna take our small brush, actually. So those are like the basics of the eyes. So we're gonna move on to some eyebrows. Taking the new Kat Von D Longwear Brow Pomade in Taupe. So this is like the blonde color. So on a little flat blur out brush here, both sides, and we're gonna do some brows. So she kind of comes here, comes up a little bit. Back down, doesn't she? So those are our brows. So now, important times, gotta go fix them up because they're not entirely even. They're pretty close, they're not too bad. Pulse back in with my foundation and just going around. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna go underneath with a bit of white paint stick just to highlight. All right, yes, queen. Okay, cool. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna pack on a lot of mascara before we move on to lashes and stuff. Only on the top, because you've got to try and conceal the bottom ones now. Hey. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. We're gonna move on to lips, and then we're pretty much done. We're just gonna do some final touches, and that's it. So we're gonna do huge. Like, this is maybe my most excited I've ever been about doing a lip, because this is going to be a massive ordeal. Huge, super, super contoured, and just like exactly what we need in our lives. So let me get my colors together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think we're gonna do like a pinky purpley lip because our top's purple, so I think we need to like kind of bring it all together. So to begin with, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Sexa, and we're going to outline. So this is important. Okay, gorgeous. Now, going in with our purple. This is again the Kat Von D lip liner in L.U.V. And we're going to use this all around the outside and to create shadows to make it look really big. Alright, we're gonna go in with a bit of lipstick. This is the Marc Jacobs lemarc lipstick in Willfull. Kind of just gonna use this to blend it all together. Okay, gorgeous. Now, going in with our little concealer brush and our white paint stick. And we're gonna sort of fake some situations here. Okay, now time for some lip gloss. So, taking the Marc Jacobs Enamoured Hashtag Lip Gloss in Pink Flamingo. Kind of putting this all over. Being very careful. Okay, gorgeous, incredible, literally obsessed. I actually love it so much. Okay, we're going to do some lashes, so I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be right back. I'll show you guys what I've done and what I've used once I'm back. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Okay guys, we are back. So, lashes. I'm using the Black Magic lashes in the Noctoria. You can't see anything. I've had these lashes for 1,000 years and they're so good. I'm actually wearing 2 pairs stacked on top of each other. So I've done that and then I've just drawn little fake lashes down the bottom. I tried lashes but it didn't work for me. It just wasn't working. So I ditched the lashes and I just drew them. Super quick, I'm gonna do a bit of highlight. Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. Every time. Okay guys, this is it. We're done. Alright, I'm gonna go put on my outfit and hair and everything. I've got a whole situation for you guys. I'll be back and we'll be done. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So I don't really know how BRATZ dolly it turned out. I love it. I think it's so cute. It's definitely very like early 2000s vibes. And yeah. So this is just like a purple turtleneck. Necklaces. Hair is from, honestly I don't know exactly where it's from. I think it's from Biggest Fashion. If it's not, then you can find one pretty much exactly the same on there. I know that for sure. Sunnies are from, if you live in Melbourne, these are from Dakota 501 on Chapel Street. They're really, really cute. They sell like a lot of like small glass. I've got blue ones as well. Super cheap, really, really fun. I'll put a link down below to their Instagram and that. And that is it. And then earrings, cute little earrings. They're from Catherine Lochness on Instagram. I'll link all the links and the Instagrams down below for everything. If you guys want to go check that out. So this is it. This is my BRATZ doll look. So again, if you aren't signed up to my Patreon, go sign up to my Patreon. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And that is it. So I guess I'll see you guys next Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.